2013 Ram 2500 Cummins turbo diesel on a 5-inch rough country lift kit with 35-inch tires and 20-inch wheels. Check out this sick build that we just finished up here at Cosmos Truck Accessories. Let me walk you through exactly what this lift is, what this build is, what it consists of. That way, if you have a similar truck, if you have the same truck, you want it to look like this, because this thing absolutely looks very nice, then you're gonna know exactly what to install, what to order, and how to have your truck look like this. So let's start at the lift kit. This lift kit is a 5-inch lift kit from Rough Country. Comes with the brand new coil springs to lift the truck actually 5 inches. Brand new shocks, the drop pitman arm, and here in the back it also comes with rear shocks as well, the Rough Country ones. Overall, a pretty solid lift kit, especially for this type of truck. A lot of people hate on Rough Country, but Rough Country is not super bad if you have a shop like us of experts who knows how to install it to avoid problems while it's driving. The lift kit gives you a pretty good bang for your buck. Although it's not the best lift kit, there are much better ones that we sell, like BDS, Zone, and King suspension. Rough Country is not a bad option if you're on a budget. So now for the tires, we threw on these 35, 12, 50, 20-inch Nitto Ridge Grapplers. These are one of the most popular tires on the market for lifted trucks because of the aggressive tread, and it's not too noisy. It looks very beautiful on lifted trucks. Very solid option if you want to lift your truck a couple inches. You can't go wrong with these Nitto Ridge Grapplers. Solid tire, a lot of life in them. Quality rubber, plus gives you a nice look, and these are definitely a head turner. I want to show you exactly how this 35-inch tire looks on this truck that's lifted 5 inches, in case if you want a 5-inch lift or a 35-inch tire. Most of you guys out there will want a 35-inch tire because just how sick it looks right here. This is how it looks, 35-inch tire. If you want to run a 35-inch tire on your truck, you're definitely going to have a lift kit. So if you guys are in Phoenix, Arizona and looking for an expert shop to work on your truck, to beef up your truck with the quality upgrades that you deserve, that you should invest into your truck, visit us here at Cosmos Truck Accessories, Phoenix, Arizona. Expert install, expert service, quality products.